Ancient Egyptians lived alongside the Nile River. The river's floods were predictable. This made the land fertile for farming. To predict the floods, Egyptians looked to the sky. The stars helped them create a calendar. This calendar told them when to plant and harvest crops. Astronomy was essential for survival in ancient Egypt. It was not just about knowledge. It was about using the stars to live in harmony with nature. Understanding the celestial cycles was crucial for their agriculture-based society. Beyond practicality, the Egyptians saw the stars as divine. The night sky was a sacred map. It connected them to the gods and the afterlife. This belief fueled their fascination with the cosmos. Observing the stars was a way to connect with the divine. The Egyptians' careful observations laid the groundwork for astronomy as we know it. Their early discoveries and methods influenced later civilizations. Their fascination with the cosmos continues to inspire us today. The Egyptians identified stars and planets. They grouped them into constellations. Many of these constellations are still recognized today. They saw patterns in the stars like the Big Dipper. They also observed the movements of planets. They noticed that planets moved differently from stars. One of their most important discoveries was the solar year. They noticed a connection between Sirius, the brightest star, and the Nile floods. Sirius reappeared in the sky just before the floods. They realized this cycle took 365 days. This is remarkably close to the actual length of a year. This discovery allowed them to create a calendar. This calendar was divided into 12 months, each with 30 days. They added 5 extra days at the end to align with the solar year. This calendar was remarkably accurate and consistent. These early discoveries demonstrate the Egyptians' keen observation skills. They were able to identify patterns and cycles in the sky. This laid the foundation for astronomical advancements in later civilizations. Ancient Egyptians didn't have telescopes or computers. They relied on simple but effective tools. One of their primary tools was the merkit. It was a simple instrument with a plumb line. It helped them track the alignment of stars. They also used sundials to measure time during the day. Sundial designs varied. Some were simple L-shapes, others were more elaborate, like the T-shaped sundial. The shadow cast by the sun on the sundial indicated the time. For astronomical observations, they built observatories. These were often open-air structures. They had slanted walls to get a clear view of the sky. Priests, who were also astronomers, would climb these structures. They would record the positions of stars and planets. These simple tools, combined with careful observations, allowed the Egyptians to make surprisingly accurate astronomical calculations. Their methods, though basic, laid the foundation for more advanced astronomical tools in later centuries. The pyramids are not just tombs. They are also testaments to the Egyptians' astronomical knowledge. The alignment of the pyramids with certain stars is striking. The Great Pyramid of Giza, for example, is aligned almost perfectly with true north. To achieve this level of precision, the Egyptians likely used the stars. They may have tracked the movement of stars around the north celestial pole. This would have allowed them to determine true north with remarkable accuracy. Some theories suggest that shafts within the pyramids were also astronomically aligned. These shafts might have been designed to point towards specific stars. This would have allowed the deceased pharaoh's soul to ascend to the heavens. Whether for practical or religious purposes, the alignment of the pyramids is a testament to the Egyptians' sophisticated understanding of astronomy. It showcases their ability to apply their celestial knowledge to their architectural feat. For the Egyptians, the sky was not just a scientific map, it was the realm of the gods. They personified celestial objects. The sun god Ra, for example, was one of their most important deities. They believed he sailed across the sky each day in his solar boat. The night sky was also significant in their mythology. Nut, the sky goddess, arched over the earth. The stars were seen as holes in her body, allowing light to shine through. This connection between the cosmos and their deities made astronomy central to their religious practices. Their calendar, based on the cycles of the stars, was also crucial for their daily lives. It dictated religious festivals and agricultural practices. By understanding the celestial cycles, they could live in harmony with the seasons and the will of the gods. This integration of astronomy into their religious beliefs and daily routines highlights its profound impact on Egyptian society. It wasn't just a field of study, it was a fundamental aspect of their worldview. Egyptian astronomy did not exist in isolation. Their ideas and discoveries spread to other civilizations. The Greeks, for example, learned a great deal from the Egyptians. They incorporated Egyptian astronomical knowledge into their own studies. The concept of a 365-day calendar, for instance, spread from Egypt to other parts of the world. This Egyptian innovation had a lasting impact. It formed the basis of the calendars we use today, while other civilizations developed their own unique astronomical traditions. The influence of Egyptian ideas is undeniable. Their early observations and discoveries paved the way for later advancements. They laid the groundwork for astronomy as a science. Their legacy continues to inspire us today. Their monuments, aligned with the stars, remind us of their ingenuity. Their efforts to understand the cosmos serve as a reminder of humanity's enduring fascination with the universe. The ancient Egyptians left an indelible mark on the world. Their pyramids, temples, and tombs are a testament to their architectural prowess. But their legacy extends beyond these monuments. It reaches into the very stars they observed. Their astronomical knowledge, gained through centuries of careful observations, laid the foundation for later civilizations. Their insights into the cycles of the stars and planets helped shape our understanding of the cosmos. Their story reminds us that science is not a recent invention. It is a pursuit as old as humanity itself. The Egyptians, with their simple tools and boundless curiosity, were among the first to systematically explore the universe. Their legacy continues to inspire us to look up at the night sky and ponder the mysteries of the cosmos.